Are you worried about financing a Ford with less than perfect credit? Suntrup Ford Westport can help. Located at 2020 Cracky Road in St. Louis. Whether you are a first-time buyer or rebuilding credit, you can pre-qualify online without impacting your credit score. Many face foreclosure or bankruptcy. These challenges won't necessarily prevent you from securing a loan. Suntrup Ford values your situation and strives to get you on the road. The financing process is straightforward and judgment-free. Start by checking your buying power online. The finance team evaluates your application against their network, presenting tailored options. Use their online calculator to compare rates, terms, and payments. Worried about your credit score? You can pre-qualify online with a soft inquiry, ensuring your score remains intact. This allows you to view financing options before visiting the dealership. Suntrup Ford partners with various lenders. If one declines your application, others may consider your income or job stability. This approach helps secure the best rates and terms for you. Each buyer's situation is unique. First-time buyers can find options to establish credit, while those rebuilding can leverage employment history. Buyers with strong credit might access competitive offers like 0% APR financing. Leasing is also an option, typically leading to lower monthly payments as you finance only the vehicle's depreciation. This is ideal for those wanting to drive new vehicles every few years. Your trade-in can significantly reduce financing needs, lowering monthly payments and easing approval. Suntrup Ford offers instant online estimates for your trade-in value. Ready to explore Ford financing options? Start online today and take the first step toward driving home in a Ford you love. Visit Suntrup Ford Westport for diverse financing opportunities. Call 314-697-1796 or visit their finance center for more information. Pre-qualify now.